Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. We are here at the Aldi dumpster today and I'm trying out a new little headlamp, so we'll see if that works. It is Sunday for me. The little side doors are closed, so we'll see what's going on in there. Let's check it out. I don't know if this is a can of tomato sauce, tomato paste. Haven't even gotten there yet. We will take it. Ooh. I'm sorry guys, that noise is horrible. I'm gonna pause you and open it so it's not too bad. Okay, we're back. You know what? I think the light works better on the phone for us when I'm recording. So I think I'm gonna do that as well, but here's our first look. Oh my gosh, I already see more bacon and eggs. I'll be back. Okay, we have more strawberries. A little black bean salad. Cauliflower pizza. 2 dozen more eggs. And bacon right here. Plus that tomato sauce. I found this. Not looking too good. I'm going to leave that behind. Don't worry. I will come back for this. Let's check the other side. Alright, this one's also closed. Let me open it 1 second. Alright, we have another one of those serving platters that's open, but I've found a bunch of those in the past. Some bell peppers. It's quite full, as you can see. So oh look, another mystery can. I already have one of these at home, so this will be our second mystery can. Oh, it's not a mystery. It's chickpeas. I love chickpeas. Okay. I'm gonna start a box, so give me just a moment. All right, I got the box started. We got some meat down here. Ground bison. I want to say that's ground bison. Huh. Yeah, I've definitely been getting some great finds recently, so I'm happy about that. I do not like tomatoes. I do like raspberries, though. And cherries. And strawberries, obviously. I will take these pizzas. This is not the greatest looking bacon, but I will take it. I'm set on bacon for the rest of my life. Just kidding. I love bacon. Okay, I was not expecting to find such a great haul today. But I'm definitely not complaining. We got a bunch of avocados. It doesn't feel too bad. Looks like a busted open can right there. I'll take a few of those. Okay. 4 raspberries. Yum. Ooh, lots of lemons. Awesome. Yep, some more. Let's make some lemonade. I'm very stocked up on bananas. I think I see some pineapple juice. Oh gosh. I love pineapple. Alright, I gotta get to that side. I might have to turn you guys off for a second. Be right back. Alright, we are back home with the fabulous haul. Most of which you saw me find in the clips just before this, but there's a little bit that I found yesterday while the store was open where I don't film when the store is open. I'm just not comfortable with that. And actually, as I was running back to yes, I actually was running because I heard the door open. An employee came out. Obviously, they didn't say anything. I was already on my way, headed back to my car, but that's partially why I don't film when the store is open. And then just tonight, in the clips that you just saw, another car pulled up as I was there at the dumpster. I'm assuming they were other divers. But I just kind of took what I already had in my box and headed out after that. I didn't dig around as much as I could have just because it's late, I'm alone, and I just better safe than sorry. So I just took what I had in my box and left, but I had great stuff already, and I'm excited to share the details with you here. So I have 5 more boxes of strawberries, most of which will go into my dehydrator right there. I will probably keep one out fresh, but then I will dehydrate the rest and enjoy them in yogurt and cereal and things like that. I don't know about you guys, but strawberries and raspberries and berries in general for me just go bad so quickly. So I like to be able to utilize them as best as I can, but I do love them fresh also. So I have 5 boxes of strawberries. I have 2 avocados. These ones are feeling a little squishy now that they are thawed. Not quite like the one that I found the other day. They still feel pretty good though, so maybe I can use those up pretty soon here. Speaking of berries, I have 2 things of raspberries. This one looks like it has one little, it's not gonna focus, one little moldy one right there, but the rest should be fine. And these are like, you know, a snack. Just this whole pack will just be like one snack. Cherries I also love. I have not really ever found cherry. I'm sure I have, but it's not a frequent thing that I have found in the past. But these past few days I've been finding some cherries. So I'm going to wash these up and definitely enjoy those. And then I have 2 of the 3 cheese cauliflower crust pizzas, which I will take out of their boxes and put into the freezer, which is also why I don't usually freeze things that I find, because I like to conserve my freezer space for things like these pizzas and the meats that I will get to in just a second. But I do have bananas and berries currently in my freezer that I use for smoothies. All right, the canned goods. We have this tomato paste that was not even in the dumpster. It had like rolled all the way to the edge. I took that. I took the can of chickpeas, which I am very excited about. I love chickpeas. I have the can of pineapple chunks in juice. And I have no idea why those were thrown out. This one was thrown out because the packaging came off the label. These don't go bad in, well, suggestedly they go bad in 2025. And there's nothing wrong with it. So that was a good find. And then this is the mystery can for the day that I found yesterday while the store was open. It is a normal sized can as far as I can tell. Its best by date is December 2025. So we have almost 3 years until this date is up. And this is what it sounds like when you shake it. So again, not much shakeage happening. It feels pretty full in there. So put your guesses on what you think this is down below. And then we'll open it at the end. Yeah, you can barely hear it shake. So that's our mystery can. And then I have these pastry crisps, which they are wet, but I'm fairly certain that they're all packaged inside, so those should be good to go. We have the pack of bacon. This will be frozen. And then all of this came yesterday while I was running back to my car, hands full of meat. Couldn't leave it behind. I have 3 really huge chicken breasts. These, I believe, I'm going to can tomorrow with the chicken that I found the other day. I have 1 pack of stew meat, which, as you can see, a few of them are starting to get brown, so I will use this up soon. Maybe I will make a stew with the stew meat. And then I have 4 packs of ground chicken, which I do think I'm just going to have to freeze. I can't pressure can these. There isn't like a safe tested recipe for ground chicken. So I will just go ahead and freeze those. I'll have to make space. I don't even know what day it is. I want to say I found them on this day. So should be great and good to go. More meat. I have the bison right here, which is awesome. And it looks fabulous. I will probably freeze these as well. Just, you know, good to have all of this on hand for when the weather gets warmer and meat is harder to come by while dumpster diving, obviously. I have the black bean salad down there. I have this bag of cranberry medley trail mix. The packaging just looks a little dirty, but still sealed, and I'm sure very tasty, good to go. Now this, I have no idea why. Oh, well, I guess we do know why. There's that tiny little crack in this one. So this one will go away, and I'm assuming the other one, I don't know if you heard that, but the cats are running around. They've been chasing each other a lot today. Also, there's 11 in that one. I'm assuming this one is the same. I didn't see the crack before. All right, so it looks like, yep, this one is cracked. So we have 22 more fabulous eggs. Just crazy in today's egg economy. And I have like 1 million lemons right here, which is exciting. Plus the ones that I found the other day. So I can definitely freeze some of the juice, drink some of the juice. Delicious. Love it. And then I have this pineapple, which I also love. It just doesn't have his leaves anymore. But he looks fabulous. I will probably eat that tomorrow. So that's it. Let's get to the mystery can. It's opened, but I haven't checked yet. However, I got a little glimpse. And if this is what I think it is, I'm going to be very excited. I think it's refried beans. Yep, that is definitely refried beans. I love refried beans. And that might sound weird, but it is just one of my guilty pleasures, I guess we'll call it. I was actually craving one for dinner tonight, so I'm very, very excited about that. I can definitely put that to use. I will probably eat that tomorrow. Maybe I will make up some tacos and have some avocado in there. I have the option of chicken or ground bison, or maybe I can make some sort of taco stew. Lots of options. So if you guessed refried beans, you win. Congratulations. And this is just another fabulous haul, and I'm so thankful to be able to provide for myself through dumpster diving and share it with you guys. And I appreciate all the support as always. You guys rock. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I recently hit 28,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for that. And I will be back soon with more dumpster diving and other fabulous videos. Thanks, guys.